A storm on Sunday the 8th of October 2023 caused severe flooding in the southern Brazilian state of Santa Catarina. The government has since declared a state of emergency after flooding displaced more than 20,000 people. As many as 4,000 houses have been damaged across more than 70 towns in the region. No deaths have been recorded. According to Brazil's civil defense, the areas most affected by the floods are in the northern parts of the state and the region of Vale do Itajaí, including Blumenau, Indaial, Rio do Sul, Taio, Brusque, and Benedito Novo, Apianá, Ituporanga, Rio do Oeste and Gaspar.
Pauliquinho, ó. É? Não, é um galão de plástico. Meu Deus! Eita, pessoal, agora. Não, tá vazio. É.